Now next topic is how to multiply two matrix. Suppose we have matrix A 1 2 3 4, B matrix 4 3 minus 1 and 7, and we have to find the value of AB. AB means we have to find the value of A multiplied by B. So how to find? So for that we should see that what is written here in multiplication, what is at the first place. A is at the first place, B is at the second place. So when multiplying we have to take the row of A and column of B. What does this mean? This means that we have to first of all, how many answers would be coming? Suppose we have 4 elements in both the matrix, answer will be 4 elements. So there should be 4 places, 1, 2, 3 and 4 places. So in rough column you can write for later on you can do the calculation directly, but initially you can do write this in the rough column and write 1 cross 1. How? Because this location, according to location, write this thing means this is first column, this is first column, this is sorry, this is first column, first row, this is first column, this is second column. So write row into column in the rough column, in the rough page or rough column. uh, Now see, this is second row and first column, this is first row and second column, this is second row and second column. So we have to multiply this way, means according to the positioning you have to write these values here. Means this location is of, this is first row, this is second row, this is first column, this is second column. So write first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. According to this you have to multiply here. So this value we will get by multiplying first row, first column. So while multiplying row into column, A into B, we have to take the first row and multiply it with the first column. So first element of the first row and first element of the first column should be multiplied. 1 into 4. We have to write plus sign here. Plus 2 into the 3. Second term into the second term here. So 2 into 3. Same way. What is the position here? First row, second column. We have to take the first row and the second column now to get this this second place. So first row, second column, first element will be multiplied by the first, second will be multiplied by the second. 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 7. Same way, now this position is occupied by second row, first column. Take the second row and the first column. Second row is 3 into 4 plus 4 into 3. Last one is 2 into second row, second column. Take the second row and the second column. Second row, 3, 4 terms are there, and the second column minus 1 and 7. So take the first term multiplied by the first term, second term multiplied by the second term. 3 into minus 1 plus 4 into 7. 3 into minus 1 plus 4 into 7. Now solve this, you will get these 4 answers. If the terms are not of equal order, here we have 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns are there, but here we have 2 rows and 1 column only. So how to multiply? Again apply this type of method, means whenever we have less number of terms in the second one or in the first one, the answer will be according to the lesser number of terms. Means we have 2 terms here, there is another method, but directly you can see that there are 2 terms, so the answer will be 2 only, 2 terms there. So take this as this case in the rough column. We should finally obtain 2 terms like this. So what is the positioning of these terms? What is the row here? What is the column here? This is the first row and this is the second row. So first row, second row, this is the first column and this is also the first column. So we have to multiply like this. First row should be multiplied by the first row. First row should be multiplied by the first row. Only we have one row here, one column here. First row should be multiplied by the first column and second row should be multiplied by the first column. Second row should be multiplied by the first column. First row, first column, 3 into 2 plus 5 into 4. second row multiplied by the first column, second row by the first column, second row, that is the second row by the first column, 4 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4 along with the sign. 6 plus 28 minus 8. We have got two terms. Means finally you have to see how many answers we are getting. We are getting four terms. So write the position of those terms. Means suppose we are getting four terms. First place, write the positioning of the row. Second place, we have to write the positioning of the column. Always we have to multiply row into column. This is first row, this one is first row, so directly you can write this way also. We should get four terms here. So write the first row, then the second row, now cross multiply, then see the first column, then write the second column. This way you multiply.